dust settled on May 5, 1862, the Mexican army made history at the Battle of Puebla, standing strong against the odds. That spark of courage still echoes through the years and through our sanctuary. In 1961, Alan Shepard soared above the Earth, becoming the first American in space. It was only 15 minutes long, but it launched a race to the stars. Meanwhile, back here, Kiki launched a race for mischief. That bird could give Spider-Man a run for his money, and trust me, he doesn't even need a web, just a well-timed hair clip heist. One Derby night, just after 11 p.m., a lone gosling wandered into an office building, like he had an appointment with the copy machine. Brad, still wearing his Derby finest, scooped him up before the front desk could issue him a name badge. Kiki, of course, once modeled like a runway diva before snatching Tara's hair clip like it was part of the show. No apologies, no refunds. Raylan watched the Derby with laser focus. He wasn't rooting for a winner, he was shopping. That bird had his eye on a luxury swing, and he knew where the prize money should go. 2020 was a year filled with parrots, perches, toys, love notes from folks who believe in second chances. Just like Skittles, once in a rough spot, then basking in sunlight with a toy stash that rivals Santa's sleigh. Parrots. Chase, he re-engineered the bird room with his beak, chewed a door like it was paper. If you asked him, he'd say, "Why fit in when you were born to stand out?" And Stormy, that little marshmallow, fluffed up and stomped because, get this, it was 40 degrees in May. And frankly, we agreed. Feathers don't come with thermal lining. In 1809, Mary Keyes became the first woman to receive a U.S. patent for weaving hats with straw and silk. A simple change that revolutionized lives, just like a well-placed perch or the perfect toy enriches a parrot's world. 1949 brought us the Council of Europe, nations uniting for peace. At our sanctuary, it's cockatoos, not countries, but the message is the same. Together, we're stronger. In 1963, doctors performed the first liver transplant. That level of care reminds us every life is worth the effort, no matter how complicated the case. And in 1980, humanity wiped out smallpox. It took global teamwork, heart, and hope. Here, we may not cure diseases, but every rescue feels like a win for life itself. May 5th is more than a day on the calendar. It's a thread that stitches together history, heroism, and heart. It's bold moves, sweet rescues, and feathered friends writing stories that matter. Thanks for being part of ours.